So, after signing in, you will navigate through the app to the preferred chapter that you would like to study. This page will showcase the different sections together with the number of concept videos and exercises for each section. Next, you will select the preferred section. After selecting the section, the app will provide you with a list of concept videos for that section. These videos explain the key concepts that students need to know before they continue with the rest of the chapter's work. After you've watched the video, the app will show you a confirmation icon to help you keep track of your progress. And don't forget about our textbook that you can use in conjunction with the app. Just scan the barcode of a concept video and it will take you directly to it. After you've watched all the videos, you can proceed to part B, which is the exercises where you can practice the concepts that you have just learned about. Okay, so you finished watching the concept videos of a specific section, as explained in part A. The next step is to continue to part B, which is a comprehensive collection of exercise problems, where you will now practice these concepts that you've just learned about. You'll select the exercise, and the app will take you to the next page where you'll start with the exercises. Each problem is accompanied by the answer, a written memorandum, and a video memorandum. You can select any of these to help you with the accompanying exercise. When you've completed an exercise, the app will show you a confirmation icon to help you keep track of your progress. After you've completed all the exercises, you can proceed to part C, which is a collection of assessments that needs to be completed for the app to build a pathway to success, tailored specifically to you. So, you have finished working through the concept videos of a specific section, which is part A, and you've done some exercises of that section, which is part B. You are now ready to test your knowledge base and can proceed to part C, which is a collection of assessments where you can test the skills you have built up in part A and B. Once an assessment is completed, the app will build a tailored pathway to build up your skills further. When you select a chapter, the last section of each chapter is where you'll find the multiple assessments that you must complete. Now, each assessment has several questions. For the questions, you'll have to either select one correct answer or use the math keyboard to input your own answer where asked to do so. You will then move on to the next question and the next and so forth, until you've completed the whole assessment. After the assessment has been completed, the app will give you a score. From this page, the app then builds a tailored pathway to reinforce only those concepts that you struggled with, to further build upon your skills and knowledge. It's like having a teacher create custom homework just for you. Once you have worked through your custom homework pathways, you will have the option to retake an assessment and improve both your knowledge and your marks. By repeating this process, it will help you to master the concepts with which you struggle with. And remember our textbook that can be used in conjunction with the app. And that concludes the last part of our MathU app. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Click the link in our video description below and download the app now.